Hey everyone, welcome. We're back. We are back. Yes, alright. What's going on? What is going on, everyone? Alicia, hey there. What is going on? Francis, what's up? Yes, we are back. JR, welcome. What's up, guys? Well, look at that. I mean, just look at the 5 minute. Let's do a little bit of a review first, all right? So, first of all, we saw these moves playing out in the London session. This was great. So I got stopped out at break even on this move. Yay! Gabor de Haan is back. 27 minutes. That's more than enough, dude. that's like more than enough. That's a power sleep. That you don't need more than that. So anyway, it got me at break even. Then beautiful entry, which I did not take, but beautiful long opportunity. Went up there straight into the daily fair value gap. I do feel the FOMO, like 1, 2, 3 trades. I mean, and this is just this is just London session, so guys, it doesn't really get any better than this. Oh, I booked to the Blue Sky. What happened with Blue Sky? Gabor says he failed at Blue Sky. What happened? Overtrading, I guess. Ah. Okay. Anyway, market is about to open in a few minutes. Buy side is at 880. Good day, Marcus Trader. Good to see you again. If you look at the 1 hour, there's a swing high at 880. Big position and knife. Oh man, oh man. Shit happens. Yeah, we all learn from the mistakes and we move on. That's what we do, right? That's what we do. We're not stopping. We're not stopping, man. I know you can make it back. I know you're better. You're better than that. You will make it back. All right. All right. I'm gonna wait until PMI. Yeah, I'm gonna wait too. Definitely gonna be some movement. I wonder if the market open is gonna take out the 880 level, which is the swing high on the 1 hour chart. If you look to the left. Above that, there's not much. I mean, we do see some an order block here. There's an order block on the 1 hour. And what else? Nothing special. So I guess we can also see a possible dump, or I mean, as a sell-off, but gonna wait. Gonna wait. Hey! Gábor Váradi, üdvözöllek, hey there! Oh! Ott vagy a Gábornál? Awesome! Hey there, welcome. Üdvözöllek, nagyon örülök. Az azt jelenti, hogy kint vagy Floridában? Szuper! That is awesome. Alright, let's see. Some fellow Hungarian traders dropping in the stream. That is super great. Okay. That is cool. That is cool. You have like a trading sanctuary there. It's like a you have the gym, you have a spaceship, you can play songs, 25 éve ott vagy? Úristen, ez királyság. Srácok, ha úgy adódik, kérlek engedjétek meg, hogy crasheljek nálatok egy éjszakára, vagy valami. Ez tök király, hogy ott vagytok. Nagyon ász. I'm so happy. Some Hungarians out in Florida and they living there, living the dream. And I definitely want to travel there. So, that's cool. Man, I'm gonna save some money for plane tickets, that's for sure. Okay. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, we're going for the 880 for now, it seems like. Don't do anything harsh or... Hey, Supham! What's going on? What's happening? By the way, we only have the PMI numbers, right? Yeah, it's gonna be at 10 a.m. So let me get this out of the way. Okay, all right. Only a few more minutes. About Dow, well, hard to say. As I told you guys, I don't really trade it, but as far as I see on the 1 hour, it should be popping higher to take out the swing high. And then we have another one. But if I look at the 1 hour, you know, it sweeps liquidity up there, maybe a little bit higher. Then it can just dump. I mean, look at all these higher lows. But we have another fair value gap. For now, I would expect a spike from YM, but as I said, I don't really trade it. But I like to see a spike. Actually, there was an almost too good to be true entry here, but the only problem is that we have the market open. So better be careful and cautious. We lost 4 trades in a row in Dow. Won the 5th trade. Well, as long as it takes up on your losses, you know, that's all that matters. All right, 1 minute 30 seconds. I know everybody has a heartbeat going on. Everybody's pumping adrenaline like crazy, ready to push the button. 10 minis, 15 minis, maximum allocation, full margin everywhere is ready to push it. So I can feel the tension. Oh, you like the Hungaroring? Awesome. Let me know what you get around here. I was driving on the Hungaroring once, back in 2013. It was 2013. I had BMW Z4, the newest one back then. I was renting it for a year, and it was a 3.5 IS. It's not the strongest one, but 340 horsepower. So I was making a few laps on the Hungaroring. It was awesome. 20 seconds. Yeah, of course. Of course. All my other trades in gold, crude, and NQ. Nice. Okay, market is about to open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're open. Let me go down to the 1 minute. Just to see it a little bit closer. Although this is trade await, but Let's see. We have this 5-minute gap here. Let's see if this one's gonna hold, or we're just going to dump straight away. Small gap there. I don't know. I don't know. So far this is holding, but let me look for some liquidity levels. One is at 23. Could be spiking down to 23. There you go, we got it. Nothing else. There's an order block starting at 09, bullish on the 15-minute. Bullish order block 09. And might take a long stab at 09. Actually, I won't, but it's good to say that I will. And this one shifted structure on the 1-minute. But, you know, careful, don't be fooled with this structure shift. This one can be a tricky one. I think the market is going to wait for the news, so nothing to do until the next 28 minutes, 29 minutes. So this was the move. That's it. If I would have to guess, I think we can go down to the bullish order block at 809. Repricing the 1-minute gap. Now we can go down to 809. The way the candles are printing is really interesting, but let's check it on the 1-minute. Buys above inverse bear market 15-second. Oh man, the 15-second is a great one, but you need skill to master that, and I don't have that skill yet. Looks good as a short, and again, bullish order block at 09, and also fair value gap at 03. It can go down to 09, all the way down there. Careful. But we have the swing high at 880. So if it breaks above 52, then who knows. This was a good liquidity sweep, but I think it's not over. But this is just a guess, nothing more. Look at that. I have no positions. I'm flat, as you guys can see. I have no orders. I'm just studying price right now, but I think should be going down to 09. To the order block, and inside that order block there is 5-minute fair value gap as liquidity, and also another order block at 797. So could be seeing something there. Okay, going back up. It might top into daily CB as inverse could be. Right now, I think everybody's gonna wait for the news. I don't think, by the way, that PMI numbers count as much as it's a red folder news. I don't see market really moving all that much on PMI numbers usually. So let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, definitely bullish. VWAP is down there. Could be seeing this one go down a little bit more, right? But I still say that the order block at 09 could be a good short, which is like 20 points down from here. Down at, yeah. So I would say if you go down to, for example, 10, you could be still good. Yeah, look at that. All right. I made a small scalp, not too much, only like 40 bucks on this short on a funded account, but that's all. 850 macro broke the daily CB, oftentimes 930 uses, yeah. So I would say 09, where the order block is, should be, we should be visiting that level, and overall low of the candle would be 0325. 0325 as a 5-minute fair value gap. If it's gonna lurk too much in this area, it's going to tap the 0325, just saying. If it's going to lurk too much in this area. Now it's going to reprice this small tiny gap. Okay. Let's see if this one's gonna hold. The other one was holding so far, which is this one. And final target could be the 03, but first we have to get down to 09 if it goes down. But it's very risky. This chart is on Apex, but I also have the same chart on BULENOX too, or MyFundedFutures, whatever. This is on Apex. This is a funded account right now. But I have BULENOX here as well. It's so far there's no issue with the connection. Renko chart. Let's see. Candle, bar. Yeah, we have Renko chart. Look at that. We have Renko. Yeah. All right, let's go back to 1 minute. On day 113, day 1 minute. All right. We have Renko chart. But this is Quant Hour. Let's see. All right. So just saying, BULENOX and Apex extended the sale until next Tuesday. Go check him out. 90% is still working. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Well, you know, there was a lot of talk about Apex in the London session too. You know, it depends. Is it hard? You have to ask yourself, you know, mainly the only problem and the main issue is with the dollar cost averaging issue. Like traders who are a little bit gambling the system are adding like 5, 8, 10 contracts, 15 contracts on the mini for some entries to average out the trade, which is fine because it's a technique. But other than that, if you don't trade like that, but you use proper risk management and that's it. I mean, proper risk management, of course, but you calculate your position and then you use the stop loss and the take profit as usual, proper risk to reward ratio. That's it. So I don't think the rules are that complicated, but yes, I understand. Because I'm an affiliate, I'm saying this. Yes, I know. But I'm also trading unfunded with them and I want to get to the payouts. TOPSTEP is also great, by the way. I mean, yeah, compared to TOPSTEP, TOPSTEP lets you do technically whatever you want on the funded account. So I think there's a daily drawdown limit on the funded account at TOPSTEP. And you can, so far I know that you can trade the news. I'm sorry. But I guess they might change that. The only thing about TOPSTEP is you have to have always 5 days above $200 profit, which is for many traders is super easy, and it sounds easy, but if you're doing it, it's not always easy, especially if you have to repeat it all the time. It puts you into an extra pressure. But other than that, they're pretty much awesome. All right. I think we're stuck in this move and everybody's just waiting for the news. So I'm curious. How's this gonna go? It's all about, yeah, psychology. Well, at the end, yes, it's always about that, Jacqueline. It's always. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Let's see. Are we gonna get some entry here? The 15-minute looks bullish, just saying. If you take the last swing, price was at the 50% level. Now it's going back up there, so we have every chance for it to pop higher. Especially if I look at the yeah, so I'm definitely thinking that this is bullish. It can go higher. Buy side at 880 is in the crosshairs, so it's 817. Yeah, could be going higher. Let's go. All right, look at that. Look at that, like 25-point swings. Wow. 850 down to 825. Yes. Indecision. Indecision in the market. Time frame is this? Okay, it's fine. All right, let's go back to the 5. Definitely looks bullish. I might even want to jump in on a scalp, but I don't know if I want to. No, I don't have any valuation, but I won't. Or maybe I will. With micros, maybe. Not sure. But I still think it's going to take out 853. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Come on. Should give it an old try. Too late. Too late. I was talking too much. All right, maybe not. I thought we were gonna go down. It's a hard stop. Man. Come on, go up a little bit. Make me happy. I'm watching the 1 minute here, but not doing too much. It's one spike. All right, it's not moving. Closing it. It's not worth to force it, so yeah, 860 is a good target for sure, but until news, it's just useless to gamble. No, I'm out. I mean, well, daily CB, nice. Congratulations, 10 minutes soon, yeah. But I think it will go through sooner or later. I might fool around on the valuation account, but why mess it up? I don't want to mess it up. But it will go through. Everything looks bullish anyway. Oh, it's a good thing I exited. Going down just before the news. On evals is twice size. Yeah. Today I don't trade yet. Let's see if well, let's see what happens. I guess easier to predict and volatility is good. Yeah. Also, fooling around on evals I know it's fun, but the problem is, and I say this to myself too, it builds up bad habits. That's a problem. Building up bad habits it's not good in trading. Just like in poker. So even though it's an evaluation account, but you know, reprogramming the subconscious, you know, next time you're gonna gamble on your funded account, it's not a good thing. So gotta be patient, wait for the setup. That's all we can do. I used to take trades for fun on news. I must be honest, 7 out of 10 times I get side yeah. On the other hand, at 9:30 open is still aggressive. Yeah. The same thing happened to me as well, to be honest. So I used to take more crazy trade on the news and also on the open too. But at least 7 or 8 out of 10 times I got cluster F'd by market, so I'm not touching the funded accounts if I don't have to, if I don't see, even if I scalp, if I don't see a reasoning or at least a clean setup. And would you look at that, we went through the highs there. Next up is 80. Bullish breaker. Right before the news. Have you had experience with take profit trader, and what are your thoughts on their daily loss limit compared to, let's say, Apex? Yeah, I started to trade with take profit trader recently. I have one evaluation account with them so far, but I'm willing to have more. I had one more, but I blew it, so I left with one. So far, I think everything checks out with them. The payout policy is maybe the best, one of the best, or maybe even the best, the payout policy. Build up your safety threshold. You can take out your profit any given day and they're going to wire in 24 hours. So that's like a cash machine if you know what to do. Gotta make sure that you pay yourself out above $250, because if you take out, for example, $200, there's a penalty for $50. So they're gonna wire $150 if you take out less than 200. I mean, sorry, if you take out 200, they're gonna wire 150. No, I did not. I did not get a payout, but I know people who did. So and I'm almost like clear with the rules. Everything is like almost the same like others. The only big down thing with the take profit trader is if you blow the daily loss limit, then you blow the whole account, everything. So there's no second chance to continue the other day, and it's not going to. I mean, if you go over the limit, daily limit, you're done. It's not a soft breach; it's a hard breach, and that's it. It's over. On the evaluation and on the funded too. Sorry, no. Yeah, the funded too. So that's the downsize. Hey Dominic, You ordered a new laptop. That's cool, man. That's cool. You're gonna be back in the game. Otherwise, Take Profit Trader, I think, has everything needed for trading. I mean, all the rules are okay. And the payout policy is by far the best, I think. Trade Day also has a good payout policy, but it's also great. But Take Profit Trader is still great. Anyway, there's a 50 or 40 or 50% discount at Take Profit Trader. There's a link somewhere down in the description if you want to check them out. And the activation fee is included in the price as well. So, just saying, the activation fee is included in the price. Yeah, Take Profit is cool. I'm willing to trade more with them for sure. I have to get a better feeling and experience. But yeah, absolutely good. Also a bit tricky. End of day goes away on Pro. Yeah, it's tricky. You're gonna be on intraday trailing on the Pro account, but it's gonna lock in. So yeah, but you know, at least it's gonna lock in. So 50k, Jacqueline. You have tried it. You can trade like you did in test on the Pro account. Looking forward to coming back to trade my 10 Apex accounts. Good luck with that, Alicia. Looking forward to it as well. Let's go, Alicia. Let's go. And by the way, I know there's always a FUD spreading around with Apex or something. Let's just keep calm and trade, focus on trading and focus on trading by the rules, and that's it, okay? Crypto Panda, good morning. Just the usual, you know, Crypto Panda, like the DCA stuff that's going on since like 2 weeks. Like traders got denied because of DCAing, which I know is frustrating, but we also know people who got paid, and I know it's frustrating. It would be frustrating to me too if I would trade with that kind of method. There you go, Dominic. Yeah, DCA is not a strategy, but anyway, you know, just give it more time. I think everything should be all right. I have made my peace with the rules. I see that you'll get paid if you follow the rules. Exactly. If you follow the rules, you're gonna get paid, and that's it. DCAing is like, yeah, you're hoping that at some point the trend is going to turn around, you're adding to it, and many times you get lucky, you know, it reverses, takes you out most of the time at break even or with a very tiny profit. But that one trade that is not going to turn around is going to wipe you out completely, and you're done. I believe it's going up. Don't ask me why. It's a feeling. Markets trader is actually seeing the future, and it's that's no sarcasm. He actually knows always something. All right, do we have the news? Yeah, we have the news. All right, it's going up. He said it's going up. Oh, it's gonna go up. Look at that. We have a gap. Repriced lower. Actually looks good to go up. I change and doing good now. DC only affect me first nowadays. Yeah, no, don't care about DC. That's it. That is it. Wow, look at this. Whoa. What was the news? I mean, what was the number? Better than expected, right? Is it good? Okay. It's good news. It's actually good news. Should be going up, right? Should it be going up? I think it should. We have also a gap up there. Wouldn't be surprised if it goes up to 880. Reprice that liquidity void. Yeah, that's the VWAP. Yes, exactly, Olisha. Yeah. And you get the code for your referral with 40% off. Yeah, you can use Tom Sabo. There's a link in the description, Francis. If you go down below the stream, there should be a link. If you click on it for Take Profit Trader, and I also wrote it there. It's Tom Sabo. I don't know if it's capital or small, or maybe it doesn't count. Not case sensitive. I'm not sure, but go check it out. All right, still waiting. Maybe nothing's gonna happen here. Just watching this closely. No entry. Not even on the lower time frames. There was a huge spike here. Could be going down to the news candle low. So yeah, it's nothing fancy. It's not looking that good. So I wonder if they even want to push it now. Maybe they just want to sweep some more liquidity. Let's go. Still going sideways. Could be going down as well. There's a huge dump. I would not be surprised. It's a coin toss right now, that's for sure. If it decides to go lower, then it is going to take out the 800. I mean, it's right at 800. Not exactly there, but you know. What if it wants to go down there? We don't know that. All right, somebody pull the plug on Nasdaq officially. What to do? Almost forgot. I'm gonna put an alert on ES just to know if it's breaking some higher highs at 53.30. Going up. Let's see. I think the real direction will come visible after lunch break. Could be happening, yes. We could be going sideways until lunch and nothing's happening until then. So I don't know. The only thing we have right now is 880 on the 1 hour as a swing high. The 15-minute pretty much repriced what it could down there. Would be logical for it to go higher. Actually, going to the 70s maybe. But I don't know. Now it looks like it wants to dump. No idea. Could go lower, back to the VWAP, of course. That's a good target. On the 1 minute, I do like the 800 as a potential target. Sweep more liquidity. So, who knows? For now, there is nothing. 15-minute chart. Yeah. It does look like it. Looking bullish. Still. On the bigger time frame. Higher time frame. Maybe everybody wants to jump into shorts, which it can be, but I don't have anything, so just waiting. Just waiting and waiting and waiting. I still favor the 880 levels. But we might have to retest the 800s for some more liquidity. Yeah, there's no activation fee, or you can say that the activation fee is included in the price, but no activation fee. Yeah, no activation fee. So that's a huge positive thing. Again, the only negative thing is if you blow the daily loss limit, then that's a hard breach. That's something that is not so good, but you know. I wonder if it's going to retest the 800 or not. That's a big question. Might not gonna happen. Yep. Yeah, yeah, exactly. The code is my name, Tom Sabo. I'm not sure if it's all capital or small letters, but you can try it out. It should be giving you the actual biggest discount. So check it out. And there's a link in the description also. The description of the stream down there. There's a code as well if you register for an account. So check it out. What is this doing? The VWAP is still down there. 800 is still down there. Does it really want to go down and take it out, or what? What is going on in this? Still no direction. I was curious if we see a sweep of the news candle down there. We might not gonna see anything. But then it should be going up. I would anchor going up. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So there could be stops below 800, and that's why I'm wondering, is it going to go down there and then it should be a good idea to look for longs, or is it going to form a structure here and maybe go for the 880 from this level? I'm also curious what could be the target here, or what could be the plan. So far I think it can definitely go higher. Of course, we're in daily premium, so I don't know. I'm gonna wait and see. I don't know. There has to be a lot of liquidity at 800. The question is, which one does the market wants to take out first? Up there above 63 or down there at 800? For now it looks like it's a coin toss for sure. Rhythmic down again. Oh. Euro USD. I see a Euro. Yeah, I have Euro USD. There you go. Wow. Wow. Look at the drop on Euro USD. All the YouTubers are blaming Rhythmic, but they don't know that Rhythmic provides data for the big dogs on Wall Street. Yeah. That's true. That's actually true. See the pair in 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Euro dollar 15 minute. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. 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 All right. So for euro dollar, there's still some room. All right. I'm gonna go sideways here, just like it was yesterday. I thought that the news candle is gonna get taken out, but it's just sideways. Still just sideways movement. Indecision. The 15 minute is technically a doji right now. Yeah. Let's wait for it. Yeah, dollar is strong. Oh, wow. Yeah. Dollar is strong. Super duper strong. And you might try to fight this to the top, who knows. But still, in the middle. It's just a waiting game, guys. I wish I could do something with this, but nothing. Nothing is as it's supposed to be, so... One minute is awful, 5 minutes is getting to be very awful. If the let's go down. Made decision today is the day off. Yeah, there you go. With that decision, you definitely win. That's a winning day. I mean, this thing is gonna go just like yesterday in the AM session. It seems like it. Total BS, indecision. Nobody knows what the freak is going on. Still looks like it might want to push it higher. But again, some rejection as well. It's really hard to say. Must be patient, and if we see a displacement, then we'll think about it, what to do. For now, it's just not what it should be. Guys, yeah, hopefully Friday will show us something. This is such BS. It's not moving anywhere. I don't know what the hell is going on, but you know, the 1 minute is like crazy bad. Look at this. Now it's finally pushing up a little bit, but we need a strong push displacement to see the direction. Okay, seems like a little bit bullish. I mean, it looks bullish. Maybe. It will take out the high, who knows? Oh my. Is it pushing? It did push. Wow. That's crazy. I made a scalp. $95 on this push. Higher on BULENOX. Yay! I'm the best trader in the world. Yay! At least I'm above 51k now. Alright. What else did I do? Basically nothing. Okay. I know NQ hit 880. If you know it, say it. If you know it, say it forward. We need more information. Anyway. It looks bullish, that's for sure. I don't want to force it, but yeah. Looks bullish. Oh, my balance is not showing up, right? On the accounts tab, okay. Let me get the balance show. Why is it not showing? I always have to edit manually. There. So this was a funded account that you guys see. There you go. Heading to 880. Looking strong. Smell bullish, taste bullish, so it's a bull. Right. Well, it does look like it. It does look like a hell of a bull. Look at that. Almost up there at 880. Wow. Should be breaking through easily. There you go. 880 tagged. Wow. And I had no entry. I made 40 bucks on one bully and 100 bucks on the other bully funded, and that's it. Did nothing on the Apex account at this moment. You need to say. You told me. You told me in advance. Exactly. Exactly. You told me. That's true. You said it. You were correct. Maybe on the evaluation account I should have scalped a little bit. But now we went through. There is one more level. There is a bearish order block here, which is from the 29th of May. We are in the order block. The high of the order block is here at 900. So that's like a buy side liquidity, and we're almost at 900, just as I talked about. It should be going through the 900. The problem is it's too high to go long and too high to go short. See Euro USD now. Let's see. Euro USD. Oh wow, look at that. So getting ready for another dump. I think we can see one more push here through the 900. Through 900. 1 hour bearish order block. Or Dow. All right, let's see the Dow. Dow. Okay. Okay, pretty much swept everything. Should be going higher, right? Am I correct? Tell me. Tell me. Should be going higher, right? Push the like button, guys, please. Also subscribe. We're kind of stuck at this level at 2,170 something subscribers. We need to push it to 22 subs, 2,200 subs. Let's go, everyone. It should be breaking through 900, I think. But might gonna have some trouble before that. Current candle. Okay, still need 1 minute to close this current 5-minute candle. Still pushing. Well, since we're pushing, we're still at the 90 level. I don't see any reason, and that's exactly what I thought. Okay. So 900 is done. Yeah, there you go. And I was just thinking to maybe jump into a few points, and it's gone. Well, guys, beach is calling me. I need to go. I can't say no to the seaside. Oh, man. I envy you, man. I'm the one who's thanking you. Thanks for the insights. Thanks for dropping by. Cheers. Hope to see you next time too. Have fun. All right, let's see what's happening. Although I don't have a beach, but I can get some water in a tub or something, and I'm just gonna sit there and enjoy. Oh man, the move is pretty much done, right? Or maybe not. What to do? Going up. How far can we go with this one? I don't like this zone to the left. It's like high resistance liquidity run. If it goes higher, I have no entry. So the only thing I'm looking for is to go short right now if I get a turnaround. Okay. Not much going on. Man, there's just nothing to do with this. Even if I want to look at the 1 minute, I mean, look at that. This is like being at no man's land right now. Okay, ES made it higher. ES made a new high. Well, man, there's nothing to do here. Oh, guys, this is like, wow. There's no targets, nothing to do. This is like absolutely like useless. Useless to do anything in this environment right now. I don't know. One thing I can do is maybe look for some levels to the left. And one particular level would be, well, let's see, just a second. If you look to the left, we have a buy side at 969. Let me put a marker there. We have a buy side level at 967.50. Could be interesting. This order block has been broken. And after that we have a order block high. So we're technically going back into this order block. Which was at the 23rd of May. It was a bearish order block. Was this the all-time high? I think it was the all-time high, right? Right. So we could be going back into that. Let me check it. Yeah. I think that, yeah, that's the all-time high. So all right, let me check. If this one is straight going higher, then the 67 could be a good target. But even if I check the 15-minute chart, this one needs another less than 5 minutes to do something. I think the move is pretty much done, right? The move is pretty much done right now. Okay. Big trades, hey there. Yeah, this was a beautiful move. I agree. I agree. It was a nice touch. It was a good move. Let's see what goes on. I traded like S yesterday. Was a bad day. Yeah, yesterday was definitely, the AM session was very frustrating. I know it could have been a frustrating one. But, you know, for now, what we can do is, I lost 8 in a row. Wow. Down 877. Oh. Got back to negative 200 at the end of the day. Oh, sorry to hear that, but you know, you still got it back. I mean, most of it, and that's still a good achievement. That is still good. Okay, so tomorrow is unemployment claims. It was my fault too. Well, but at least, you know, you can learn from it. It's always best, you know, to learn from these things. And I'm trying to learn myself as well. But so far, it is difficult, I must say. It is a difficult market. I do see some more push to the upside, especially after this move. What if we go down to the 870s? That could be a possible move. Here comes the new 15-minute candle. Let's see if we go back down to the 890s. I don't think so. But I'm going to be checking it. Oh well, it's a little bit slow movement. What can we do? I think we tap the 80s or 90s before we continue. Yeah, that's what I think too. If you look at the 15-minute, this current candle can definitely reprice the previous one, and the previous 15-minute candle had no wick to the downside. So if we go back down below 891, well, I mean, this area could be interesting before we push higher. If I put the FIB tool here, just looking for optimal trade entry, for example, at least on the 50% level, we could be seeing at least price at the 870s. Now that could be something good. All-time high is above 19k. This one can be easily pushing it up there. So we saw this move. All-time high is super close. it just made like 100 points super easy. Why not make it the second time? So I can see that happening. Absolutely. Risk to reward is still good. So entering at 880 could be also a good opportunity. What I can do is add a buy limit just for fun, you know, if it goes down there. But well, we have to wait. It's already, you know, repricing, but man, I think we're gonna go for all-time high. It seems like it. The 67 is an order block high, which can very well be a possible target. Look at this shifting again. We can go a little bit more aggressive on the 1 minute, by the way, just saying. This candle is gonna close like in 10 seconds. There's gonna be a small gap left open. So here's an aggressive entry. Okay. So that's an aggressive entry based on the 1 minute fair value gap right there. This. Let's see if we get it. Are we gonna get tapped or not? Still didn't go down to that area. Still didn't get tagged. All right. Perhaps the second push, who knows? All right, I think we got it now. It's risky, I know that. So I'm gonna be taking profit up there if it goes. Just against my system, unfortunately. Well, as you see, in this case, your system might be right on this one. No worries. If it goes below this area, then I will be going back to the 5 minute / 15 minute, and I'll be looking at the 80s. Maybe I'll see something there. This is this was a little bit more aggressive approach. I mean, we're definitely close to all-time high up there. Maybe this was a little bit too aggressive on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's gonna tank. Reprice the 15 minute, most likely. I'm gonna take my sell limit off here. It's most likely gonna take this out. If it does, it's no problem. I'm going to be looking, there you go. I'm going to be looking on the Actually, I'm going to be looking at the 900 level for a possible retest. We'll see. Could be slipping lower here. Let's see if it wants to go for it or not. Compared to your 5-minute, sometime maybe not right. Okay, 9,000 tick chart. Okay, good to know. Good to know. I'll write it down. 9,000 tick chart. Okay. I can check on that one. Okay, so far seems like it wants to go higher, but not sure. ES made a new high. So I can imagine that NQ wants to make a new high too, but still, if I look at the 5/15 minute, what about the retest? Or the pullback, sorry. A proper pullback. So far, I would like to see the 900 being retested, at least, to see if it wants to go at least down to 890s or below. And then we'll go from there. But it does look like a bullish flag, for sure. Well, let's wait a little bit more. This is typically the area where we don't do anything. I'm pushing some limit orders here and there, but nothing. It's the waiting game. I want to see this one go down to well below the 900 if we want to see a proper entry on the 15-minute chart or lower. Well. 900 level is still holding. Okay, some support is building up here. We could see maybe a structure shift to the upside. Yep. Yep. Or not. Candle is gonna close in 10 seconds, the 15-minute candle, so oh Jesus, what am I doing here? What is ES doing? Not much. I don't know. Is it gonna go through the 35s? Actually, not even 35, 36. 36-ish. The high here was, what was the high? 36.75, yeah. It's not really doing it. We're stuck. We are technically stuck here. All right. If that's the case, then I might be looking for some other scenarios. And look at that. Okay, finally. So the next target could be, I'm not saying it will be, but it could be the 67. We do see the displacement finally that we were looking at. It's unfortunate that it took me out right there. 67 should be the target. Yeah. So we have this 1 minute candle. Okay. Could be good with like okay, so 20 or 66. All right. Just measuring the possible targets here. It's repricing this fair value gap on the 1 minute. I don't know. If we look back this AM session after the open, it was pretty much a little bit confusing and confusion all around. But I think we're still bullish on this. That's what I think. Could be pushing for the 66. No, still not going. Very short a block high. Row 66. All right, it's going down. So this is not a valid trade, actually. It doesn't want to push. At least not now. All right, the 5 minute could be repricing. Still didn't go below 31. So made an equal low here. Should be getting back below 31. Reprice, the next candle should be repricing lower. And then we'll see if we have the push that we were waiting. Come on. Let's see some moves. Some real moves. I have to go to that 66 ish area. Come on. Let's see if that order block high can be taken out, and we have all-time high. All-time high. Up there. Is it gonna push it or not? Still going. Okay. It's pushing. So next target is 600. Sorry, 967. I'm curious if we're gonna make it or not. Hey Bernard, you're going long too? Well, it feels like it wants to go there at yeah, look at the high. Buy side at 967 at this swing, but there is an all-time high. No, this is not even an order block. Is it an order block? No, it's not. And what the hell is this? Okay, that's not an order block. I'm sorry, it's my mistake. But look at that, it's going. Oh man. It's going. That 67 eventually gonna get taken. And after that, there's no stopping to make an all-time high again. Because it can, and it will. Or who knows? Look at that. All right, next up is historical high. Historical high. Oh man, I feel the FOMO again. I mean, I called out this level earlier. I was talking about this, and although the thing is that I only missed one trade, which was, what was the low here? The low is 31.30. So, I mean, technically speaking, the only entry could have been here, but not really, because it didn't go down to the fair value gap. And now it seems like it just wants to go higher. And not just that, I think we can definitely go way higher than 19K. So if that happens, well, anything can happen. Look at that. Ready to push. I'm going to put a line to 19K because that's a whole number. 19K straight ahead of us. Too high. Man, it's too high to jump in. I mean, look at the 1 minute. It's like, no. I just can't. I mean, maybe at this point I could have done it on the 1 minute, but here, you're out. 250. Nice. Congratulations. Where is the applause? There you go. Congratulations, Bernard. Oh, man. Okay. At least we have some pullback. Bank of Canada cut rates today. Really? Oh. Well, as they expected it, right? Do I have dollar CAD here? Oh yeah, here it is. Dollar CAD, yeah. Huge spike. Yeah. Well, they expected it. Have you considered playing music? Yeah, I did that, by the way, for quite some time last year. And I was having like a copyright-free track list, which I played a couple of times. And for a while, it was okay. I mean, there were actually two main issues with that. One is that it says copyright-free, but it works like that, like the creator, the author, can decide, you know, after a few months that, okay, you know what, from this moment on, I don't want to let my music to be copyright free, or I don't want to, you know, give copyright to any of my music or whatever. And YouTube actually scans my videos constantly, and I get an email from YouTube that I got a copyright strike month before. I mean, from a video, from a stream month before, that I got a copyright strike because the author decided that he or she is going to change the copyright. Okay, so that's a problem with the copyright free music. That's one. The second problem is that I play it over and over. Let's face it, there's not too many copyright free music that it comes around, and it's also good for streaming or whatever. And I usually listen to the same track list over and over last year, and after a while I was like, my brain is going to melt away. Like, I was like, no, my brain is gonna go totally off if I listen one more time this copyright free playlist. So then because I also got the emails from YouTube because of copyright strikes, I decided, all right, I am not gonna put any music in the background because it just gets me into trouble and it melts my brain. So what I did after that is, and which I do now as well sometimes, not currently now, is that I turn off the desktop volume for you guys and I listen to music. You guys don't hear it, but I hear it. So that's something I do. Try to have low risk management. Try to have low risk management like you, because right now I'm 2K up on my 250K PA account. Nice. And I have been trading for 2 days, and today is my 3rd day. So, you know, don't force the money. I mean, if you see an opportunity, yeah, sure, but you know, don't force it. Tomorrow is another day, another opportunity, and not lose when I have earned and complete the other. Exactly. So it will be all right. Yeah, it's all right, Alicia. It's no, you're welcome. I mean, I would like to play music. I really do. But, you know, it sometimes is a little bit, so I had so many notifications from YouTube because the author changes, and it's so many authors, you know, on a track list. So many track lists on Spotify too and YouTube, and it says like, yeah, it's copyright free and everything, and all right, I listened to it, but then I received all these emails from YouTube, and I said, no, thank you, no more copyright free music. What I can do, but it's actually against the terms and conditions on YouTube, so I can get flagged for that, is I can install a virtual audio cable, and the VOD is not going to record the music. So the VOD on YouTube is not going to record it, but on the live stream you guys can hear the music, but the VOD is not going to record it. But they also have a term for that, so I cannot do that. On Twitch, they still do, many streamers do it on Twitch still, but YouTube, if I get caught by YouTube, it's not good. So I don't know what to do, actually. I was also looking at some websites for copyrights from various authors that I like, most likely from synthwave music, you know, and, you know, modern style, and I mean small creators with good music to look for some copyrights or purchase or ask for some copyrights, but it's so difficult. It's difficult. I love to play music. Definitely, I love to play music. That would be great. That would be super great. But also, there's a third problem. And sorry if I'm talking too much, but there's nothing to do here. There's a long opportunity here on this 5-minute fair value gap, by the way, if you guys want to take it, to go for the all-time high. I'm not gonna go for it because it's too high. I want to see more retracement on the 15 minutes, so that's why I'm not. So there's a third problem with this, is that if a viewer comes into the channel, he or she may not like to listen what I like. So everybody has different taste of music. So me, I like every kind of music. I like the 80s, 90s, techno, trance, rock, hip hop, rap, whatever. I listen to everything. But whatever I do, I put in a music, there's always going to be people who don't like that kind of music, and also many people who will say, please lower down the music because I can't concentrate on my charts. So the best choice obviously is to not have music. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. So obviously, if I don't have anything in the background, one thing I have in the background, you guys can hear that it's very low right now. Ambient background noise from the Starship Enterprise. I know it sounds weird, but when I listen to this, even when I go to meditate or sleep or whatever, this is actually great and awesome. It helps the brain keep calm, helps to focus, concentrate, gives a feeling to the background as well, to the stream. I ordered a green screen. I haven't tried it yet. I don't even know how to install, and I don't know where to put it right now, but I will figure it out. Maybe I can do like a spaceship background, and who knows. I don't know, but anyway. Yesterday I saw it exactly at 1 p.m. New York time. The price started to rise. In this case it was going to go down, and 2 p.m. New York time it made it reversal downwards. So I think that today we can have the opportunity today. Yeah, we just have to wait for the exact moment. That can happen. Absolutely, I agree. The kill zone is over technically, so we're heading to lunch hour. In many cases, I see that the New York session works good at lunch hour or after lunch hour. Could be, it could be. But we're approaching all-time highs again, so I don't know. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna cut it here because I'm not gonna put on more trades. That's it for me today. I'm gonna be coming back tomorrow in the London session. Sorry if this was an uneventful session on my end, but I'm up on my funded accounts again, made some profit. A little bit of profit on evaluation too, but I don't think I can do more. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in London session, and please, if you would like to support me, check the links for these prop firms. Very good sales going on still with Apex. Don't be scared of Apex. They're still doing good and will be doing good in the future, trust me. And I'm not just saying that because I'm an affiliate. I'm saying that because so far they're doing the biggest payout. So I don't know the FUD is how big or not, but it will be all right. Anyway, MyFundedFutures is the best right now. Check it out. See you guys tomorrow, London session. You guys are awesome. Love you all. Have a great evening, morning, night. All right. Cheers, everyone. See you in London.